over here. Well, I'm headed over here to work, and I just thought I'd make a little straight pipe video. Currently I'm stuck at a red light, but once I get going, y'all be able to hear the exhaust. So what I got done to it is I have a straight pipe put in where the muffler was, and so it gave it a little bit of sound, but it's really not bad up here in the truck. It's loud outside, but it's not loud in the cab, which is kind of what I was going for, because I got this new truck and I didn't want to like clap it out and make it so loud that it took away from how nice it was. But but yeah, it's a 2018 Ram 1500 two-wheel drive, and it's just the base model Tradesman. I don't really need a whole lot more than what's in here, but it's got the 5.7 Hemi, and I'm sure you can hear it now, but like you can tell, it's not that bad. You hear the 35s a lot more than even the exhaust, so that's always a plus, at least for me. But eventually I think I'll probably go in and get the resonators took off and stuff like